Hey you guys, hope you're well. Just sharing my favorite recipes to go for lunch or dinner, which is just pasta cooked with soya chunks to ensure that I'm getting not just high in calories lunch or dinner, but as well as something which is high in protein as well. So I basically just start by boiling my pasta as well as soya chunks together till the time they get soft, and on the other stove I start preparing the sauce. So as you can see, the basic process of frying your onions together with your favorite vegetables. I'm just using capsicums in this one, but of course you can go ahead and add any kind of vegetables that you like. I love my pasta nice and spicy, and that is the reason why I'm using all of these Indian spices and things like that. You'll be able to find all the quantities in the description box below, so make sure you do check that out. Now I like to cook my veggies on high flame so that they cook but at the same time they stay crunchy, and I don't overcook them, right? And once they have cooked to my liking, that is when I add this tomato paste or tomato puree, whatever you want to use. Now I'm using this packed one, but of course if you are somebody who makes their purees at home, then you can totally use that. Add some water to bring it to a consistency of your liking. This is also where you can adjust your spices and things like that, so please go ahead and do that. Now this is the point where I actually go ahead and add my soya chunks. Now as you can see, I have chopped my soya chunks in smaller pieces here. So for those people who do not like the taste of soya chunks, this is a great trick that you can chop them in really small pieces and add to any kind of recipes, so you won't even know it's there, but you will somehow be consuming a good amount of protein, a complete protein, by adding soya chunks to your recipes. So that is exactly what I'm doing here. I cook soya chunks in the sauce for a little bit so that the sauce kind of get inside of soya chunks and give them a little bit of taste, and that is when I add my pasta to it, mix them all together, and there you go, the recipe is all ready for you. So there you guys, a quick, easy, homemade, amazing, high in calories recipe ready for you. You can enjoy it for lunch or dinner. You can of course increase or decrease the quantity as per the amount of calories that you need. I like to sprinkle a little bit of coriander leaves on top together with some parmesan cheese as well. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and you will try this out at home. Other than this, I will see you in my next video on Tuesday at 5 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Till then, take care and eat well. Bye guys.